some would know from the name of the business, think Emmys, but then when they call and then they hear a female's voice, female doing carpentry stuff. Most people look at what they see on social media and then they feel that, oh, life is cozy being an entrepreneur. But trust me, it's like the hardest decision to make. I haven't really been much of someone who is into getting aid from government, and I feel it's a lot of work. I feel right now that I am making a lot more of impact being an entrepreneur than being a journalist.